Santa Monica in the wintertime, the lazy streets so undemanding. I walk into the crowd. In Santa Monica, you get your coffee from the coolest places on the promenade, where people dress just so. Beauty so unavoidable. Everywhere you turn is there. I sit and wonder, what am I doing here? But on the telephone line, I am anyone, I am anything I wanna be. I could be a supermodel, a Norman Mailer, and you wouldn't know the difference now, would you? In Santa Monica, all the people got modern names like Jack and Mandy, and modern bodies too. In Santa Monica, on the boulevard, you'll have to dodge those inline skaters, or they will knock you down. I never felt so lonely, never felt so out of place. I never wanted something more than this. But on the telephone line, I'm anyone, I'm anything I wanna be. I could be a supermodel, a Norman Mailer, and you wouldn't know the difference. But on the telephone line, I'm any height, I'm any age I wanna be. I could be a Cape Crusader, a space invader, and you wouldn't know the difference now, would you?